Okay, when you start the Virtually Here architecture software, you'll see your model loaded up. And right now we just have a model that's floating around in the air. You can walk around side to side. You can peer into this model. When you do that, the walls will cut away, so you can really just look inside this. You can tell your clients about each room, see the features of your model. And now let's say that you want it to be placed on the conference table. You use the snap feature. Snap. And now you can see that our model is stuck to the table. We can manipulate our model further by calling rotate. Rotate. And we can also tell it certain degrees that we want to rotate. Rotate 45. Rotate minus 45. Rotate 90. You could point out things in this model using a laser feature. Laser on. And there's our laser pointer. So you use your gaze to move this laser pointer around, and you can show different aspects of the model. And you can even use it in conjunction with rotate. Rotate 45. Rotate 180. So here I could point out the deck area to my client. Laser off. Now let's say I want to make this larger and really peer into it. I call the scale command. Scale 1 to 20. And so there it is. Now let's take a look inside. And I can scale it even larger. Scale 1 to 10. Other than the voice commands, there's also a graphical menu that you can use to manipulate your models. Menu. My gaze cursor controls which icons I select, and there's all the same features that we were just going through with the voice commands. So I just resized it. Menu. I'll bring it back down. Menu. I can move the model. I can walk with it. Fix. I can rotate it. And I can snap it to the table again. The Virtually Here software also has the capability to show multiple variations of the same model or different models. Here we have our default model, next model. And here I've switched to an entirely different model that has no textures. This is useful if you want your clients to not focus on the textures, colors, etc., and just focus on the design. And then you can imagine if I had a variation of this model, I could continue on this process and I could again call next model, and they could see either an addition or some other options of this model. Next model. So we can switch back and forth very easily.